Good afternoon. My name is Erika Sofia Montañez Ordóñez. I am 26 years old. I am single. I study environmental engineer. I'm from Sogamoso. I live in Sogamoso. I live with my mom and my sister. In my free time, I like reading. I like drink coffee. I like swimming. I like listening to music, in special rock. The following is an infographic of the trip you make. In my last vacation, I was traveling for the Cartagena de India city. Take a flight from Bogota city. That took 45 minutes. When I write a review, I travel by bus to Tayrona Park. There I stayed for 3 days. This park is very important, especially for foreign tourists. Back to Cartagena city, I went step to Barranquilla city. His people are very keen. Again in Cartagena, I knew the walls, San Felipe Castle, San Pedro Square, but buy some souvenirs. Cartagena, being a coastal city, has a warm but pleasant climate. Normally, in the night, are much cool. If you want to travel to Cartagena city, do not forget to always use sunscreen. Wear comfortable and light clothes. Have at least 2 bathing suits. Wear sunglasses to protect your eyes. And to walk on the beach, use cloth shoes or cloth to avoid hurt your feet. Remember to take a walk in Chiva. Have a run through some of its wonderful islands as a magic and fabulous place with the best beaches in Latin America. To avoid setbacks or some intoxicated, do not drink or eat for the street. Enjoy the place and not contaminated. Thank you. Bye bye.